Hello, Google Meet got a facelift over the weekend, and I'm just making a quick video to show you the changes. It looks maybe a little more slick, and some of the buttons have moved. So I'm here with all of my closest friends to show you how it works. So you've got your raise your hand button. You can turn your camera and mic off down here the same way as you always could. Here's the present now button, and as always you can share a tab, a window, or your entire screen. In here, the triple dot, we've got our Jamboard. We can record the meeting, and we can change the layout as we always could. So a lot of these things are the same as they were. They're just sort of moved. Now we've got our change the background, blur the background. Oh, my background blurring's not really working. Interesting. Oh, there we go. There we go. What else? Closed captions, use a phone for audio, reporting problems, blah, blah, blah. Now, in addition, it's also going to pop up if you have bandwidth problems down here. So it'll tell you, it'll give you feedback on if your internet connection isn't good, all that kind of stuff, which could be helpful when you're working with students. So if students are having problems, you could always ask them if their screen is reporting that they're having internet problems. Now, it's possible it could report that they have a slow internet connection and yet you're still able to interact with them. So you might also get students telling you that it's telling me my internet's slow, but you're still able to interact with them well enough and it's not actually a problem. Here's your chat, and then here are all your special features like breakout rooms, polls, Q&A, recording, and whiteboard. So that is everything. That's where it's all moved. Now remember, your quick access stuff is in here. If you turn that off, it means people can't join the meet before you start it. And your other host settings are here as well. So that's where it all is. It's all the same, just moved around a bit. Maybe it looks a little slicker, but it might take you a day or two to get used to the new interface.